Just cause he liked your old picture don't mean he's stuck on the past. Just cause he talks to your brother don't mean he's still attached. Just cause he's drunk at 2 a.m. Sex, say what's up, girl, how you been? Don't read too much into that, don't mean he wants you back. If he loved you, he would tell you